Good evening, I'm London Swan. As the State House and Senate start to consider versions of a cut in the business personal property tax, a new report provides details about how much local governments would lose if the tax were eliminated. The report from the Indiana Fiscal Policy Institute says the elimination of other taxes on personal property and the property tax caps in 2008 would make an equipment tax difficult on cities and counties. The tax is administered by local governments and brings in $1 billion a year in revenue. Right now, there is no plan in either the House or Senate bill to replace the revenue, and the Indiana Fiscal Policy President says that means more than $600 million of it would disappear immediately. State health officials say at least 7 more people have died in Indiana from flu-related illnesses as this year's strains are hitting some young and middle-aged adults harder. The Indiana State Department of Health says in its weekly report that the state has had 37 total deaths so far this flu season, which is 10 fewer than the same time last year. But officials say nearly 2/3 of this season's deaths have been among those between the ages of 25 and 64. About 80% of last year's deaths at this time were people older than 65. Health officials say Marion and St. Joseph counties are the only ones in the state with 5 or more flu deaths this season. However, the state does not receive statistics for counties with fewer than 5 deaths. Now here's a quick check of the weather. Tonight will be mostly clear with lows around 5 below. And here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Tuesday will be sunny with highs around 19 and lows around 1 degree. Wednesday will be partly cloudy with highs in the upper 20s and lows around 20. For more local news, go to WTIUnews.org. For WTIU News, I'm London Swan.